Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am going to give you guys a showing of the Rizzoli. This is the STP series. The STP series is not available in North America. I've had some requests for people who see the ST on our website and then go to the website on Rizzoli site and see this STP and want to go with this model. So I just kind of want to explain what the overall differences are and why it's not available in the US. So basically the STP model, P, think of P for pump. It includes your whole pump group and system, which is basically what the side pocket is. So it's essentially pre-plumbed and ready to go. Now the reason that we can't import and sell this into the US is because between Europe and the US we do have different electricity standards. Not only are we using different voltage, but we also use a different hertz frequency as well. So because of this, we are not able to import this model because the electronics will not match over to North American standards. This is why we bring in the standard ST, which is the same unit without the side cabinet, and then the customer is responsible with their plumber to plumb the unit properly and get the necessary components. I want to show you guys this particular system because it is fully plumbed behind me and it gives you guys a good idea of how this hydro unit works. As you can see, this is going to be a closed loop system, and they do have these expansion tanks as well. Now this particular unit here is going to be heating both radiant and domestic hot water. So radiant is going to be the heat actually going into these radiators, and if I touch these are actually quite hot. So the water is coming off of the cook stove. It is flowing with the pump through this system into the radiators, and then they do have some of it going into domestic hot water as well. These expansion tanks are necessary part of the system as well in case you have any additional hot water building up that's not getting used. It allows it to escape so that your system does not blow. So essentially this is kind of a base overview of what the hydrothermal models look like when they are plumbed into water radiators. If this video is helpful, informational, and educational, please give me that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Better yet, if you guys know people who would be interested in this information, please share it with a friend. The more you guys share and like my videos, the more videos I continue to produce. It keeps me traveling and making more footage for you guys every day. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.